my wife tells me to stop by and pick up a gallon of purified water for her floor machine because the $4 for 3 gallons of water. I always come here and I buy this water. I buy guys, I buy this by 50 cases, 50 at a time, 100 at a time. Look at this. This used to be 99 cents and I thought that was a lot of money. All right, look at it now. All right, for a fucking case, a 24 pack of what is that, 6.9 ounces, man. It's not even a 12 ounce. All right, we can go through a case a day with that shit. I got a family of 7. We can go through a case of shit. We're like $3.50 for something that used to cost 50% increase of the original price. All right, so go to your boss right now and ask him, say, hey boss, can I have a 250% rate increase because everything up is 250% up? And see what he tells you, right? See what he tells you. This with another guy that's waiting to take your spot for cheap. But I got the side hustle, guys. I got the side hustle where you don't have to go to your boss. You don't have to kiss his ass. He can kiss your ass. You know why? Because the side hustle makes you this money, and you come out here and you buy whatever you want, and you ain't got to worry about these prices. You be one of those survivors, all right? So get out of that hole where you have to kiss your boss's ass for a dime of raise or something, all right? Get out of that spot. Follow me and hit that like. And comment yes, and I'll send you the info on the side hustle that'll get you out of that hole, and you don't have to be. All right, it's a side hustle, 2 hours a day, and you'll be making more money than what you're making at your at your full-time job right now, people. So comment help or check out that link in the bio. Watch those 2 videos, and if you're still interested, reach out to me, people. Reach out to me, or go ahead and follow through the video, follow through the website. All right, let me know.